Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget about 2 inches of vegetable oil for frying and plenty of powdered sugar for dusting. Now let's create our delicious batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are thoroughly combined. In a separate bowl, gently beat the milk, eggs, and vanilla extract. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring just until the batter is smooth. Remember, overmixing can make your funnel cake tough, so stop as soon as it's combined. It's time for the fun part, frying. Heat at least 2 inches of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of batter through a funnel, moving it in a circular, overlapping pattern into the hot oil. Fry each side for approximately 1 minute until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use tongs to remove and drain on paper towels. Your delicious funnel cake is almost ready. Carefully transfer the warm funnel cake to a serving plate. For a classic touch, generously dust it with plenty of powdered sugar. You can also get creative with toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Serve your homemade treat immediately to savor its warm, crispy, and sweet perfection. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.